Hi, I'm Brendan from the Plant World of Gardening, and I'm going to talk to you today about Calendula as a companion plant. Calendula, or pot marigold, is commonly known as. So a tray here that we're just after transplanting. I'm just going to finish transplanting the last few seedlings. So these are at what we call the cotyledon stage. So there's just the first two seed leaves on them, just a little small bit of root. That root's very small, but there's actually not any more than that because they're just tiny little seedlings. Now I'm going to finish this tray here to the corner. Calendula makes a very good companion plant. It repels lots of things like aphids and whitefly, nematodes, lots of little nasty things that do harm to your plants. So you can plant it around tomato plants, peppers, aubergines, a lot of the indoor plants that you be growing in your polytunnel, your greenhouse. It's also a good attractor for pollinators. So there's lovely big bright orange and yellow flowers in it, and that will bring in lots of pollinators. It brings in predator insects as well, like lace wings, that will help to control greenfly as well. So it's an all-around good companion plant for growing in your polytunnel or your greenhouse, or even out in your open vegetable garden. Thanks for watching. Follow us on our social media channels.